Alrighty guys, we got a pretty big package in the mail today. Two of these babies, about 200 slabs total, and let's open it up. So here we go. Okay, this is the second box. This one's very, very bowed. I mean, kind of funky, but that's okay. Got here, you know, mostly safe. Alright, we need to be really careful opening up this. This piece feels pretty soft right here, so we're going to kind of go in from right here and just see what we can do. There we go. Oops, let's go this way. Okay, and perfect. Alrighty. Look at all those coins in there, guys. Look at that. Perfect. Literally exactly what we want to see. Let's take them all out. Okay, guys, so here we go. So this is a nice 1948, you know, full bell lines. The cool part is the double die variety. I don't know if it is actually double die or not. I really didn't price it off of that, and it wasn't priced off of that either. Neither was this one. The DDO and DDR, so we'll have to, you know, check those out and see if they are. This nice Franklin half in 64 full bell lines. Very, very cool. Nothing too crazy. Here's a cool variety. A 49 in MS63 full bell lines. So kind of a crappy grade, but has the Bugs Bunny variety. So much better variety for the 49. So that's very cool. And then here's another cool variety. A minor variety, double die reverse. So very, very cool. Extremely nice. And, you know, we'll have to look at it up close to see if it actually has the double die reverse. So, very, very nice coins. And let's get the next lot. Alright, here's a really nice group. Here's a 1959 in Proof 66 Cameo. Very, very cool. Very, very nice. Here's a 1959 in Proof 69. Extremely high grade, guys. You don't see these things in 70, obviously. Here's just a pretty common 1960 in MS65. Oops. Let's focus. It's a pretty nice 65, though, actually. Very luxurious. Here's a really cool coin. 1961 in Proof 66 Deep Cameo. Very, very nice. Very, very... The reverse... Holy cow, that reverse is black and white. That's insane. And look at this. Another 58... Proof 69. Very, very cool. Very, very nice coins, guys. The reverse on this coin's pretty solid. Very, very pretty. Let's get the next lot. Alrighty, here's some cool coins. It's a piece dollar lot. 1926S in MS62. This one is actually damaged, and I knew this going into it. But it's a 1923 Patriot Collection, graded MS65. Probably just get this one, you know, reholdered, spend 10, 20 bucks on it. Maybe. We'll think about it. Here's a McLaren collection. A signature that is Wyatt S. Earp. Is that Earp? Yep. Earp. From a 1925. Pretty solid coin. And then a Great Montana collection. So 3 slightly better piece dollars. You know, they're all pretty much blast white. So very, very nice. And that is this lot. Very cool. Here is an extremely nice coin. You guys can see the absolute ultra cameo right there. It's a Proof 67 ultra cameo CAC. Beautiful, beautiful coin, guys. The reverse is just absolutely black and white there. This 1960D in 4 FBL. You know, better date for the Franklins. Here's a 54D, just, you know, regular MS65 white coin. Pretty solid. Here's another 60 in MS64 full bell lines, pretty solid. And then here is a 63D in an MS64 full bell lines. Looks like it should pretty much be a 5, just has one too many marks, but it's very, very solid. Next lot. Alright, here's a really, really cool coin. It's just a 1963 Franklin half in MS66, guys. But this coin's worth a couple $100 on its own. So you guys, you know, make sure and look this coin up. I actually had to look it up a few times, and I was like, holy cow, this is like $400. Like, that's way too much. But then I looked it up, I was like, oh, okay, it's actually not too bad. So here's a really cool coin as well, an obverse die clash. I actually don't know much about that coin, so I'm gonna have to study that and, you know, figure it out. Here's a cool coin from the Omaha Bank Hoard. Usually you just see common coins, but they had some Buffalo nickels as well. And I actually have two. This one's a 37D, and this one is a 38D. So very, very nice. And then finally in this one, we have this PCGS Brilliant Uncirculated 1922S piece dollar. Has some cool little funky toning on it. Nice little lot. Alright, here's some more piece dollars and then some Lincolns. So from the Patriot Collection, MS-64. Here is a Shrevey? I don't even know. Shreve collection, if it would focus. There we go. MS-63, 23S though, a little bit of a better date. So those are cool. And then here we have some Omaha Bank Hoard Lincoln cents. You know, 66 red, 1940, 37D in 6 red, and 1930 in 5 red. All from the Omaha Bank Hoard, so that's pretty cool. And you have 2 generations of holders actually. See, that's pretty cool. So they were grading them for a long time. Here's a really cool coin that, I guess they're stuck together. Here's a really cool coin that I don't even know what the CAC population is on this. I'd have to check. But you definitely don't see these things CAC'd just walking around. The S over S RPM, so that's very cool. Here's another cool coin. I guess Gray Sheet is only $28 on this for a 54S Bugs Bunny in gem. Imagine if it was full bell lines, it'd be worth a lot more. Here's another 60D and 65. You know, nothing too crazy. Has some, looks like a film on the back. Yeah, looks like it has some ugly pieces on the back. Oh, this is nice. 1960 obverse die clash with CAC sticker on it. Very, very nice. Love to see the CAC coins. And then boom, a 52S in MS-66. Oh my gosh. Love to see superb gem Franklin half dollars. You know, oh my goodness. This is a great lot right here. 2 CAC coins. Boom, perfect. Alright, here's some bigger coins. Here's a 1954 Franklin. It almost looks like a cameo in proof 67, guys. Absolutely gorgeous coin. Honestly, looks like it almost got a cameo, guys, which would make this coin a lot more money. Here's a 1951 in proof 64 CAC. Love to see the CAC coins coming out. Oh, here's a bigger coin. Here's a 1956 Type 1, which if you guys don't know is much better than the Type 2, okay? And how you know is the amount of feathers right here on the eagle. They're either 3 or 4, and this one is the Type 1. And then right behind it is a Proof 69 Type 2, which is the lesser of the two. Whoa, that reverse is really nice. Wow. It's like a deep cameo reverse. Holy cow. Wonder how this coin didn't get a star. Very, very nice. Wow. Then here's a bigger coin as well. 1952 Proof 65 cameo. Absolutely beautiful luster on this proof. The earlier proofs have a lot of luster. The later ones are kind of more flat. But very, very nice lot as well. Gonna see if we can get any of these CAC stickered as well. Alright, we have 2 more lots and we're gonna do them together just because there are a little bit less coins in this one. It's a pretty cool Club Calneva. It's pretty cool. ICG holder. It's pretty fancy. Here's a earlier date, Franklin, the earliest date, in full bell lines. Again, a white coin. It's exactly what you like to see in the Franklins. Here's a pretty cool coin as well. No idea what this means. Let's see what's underneath this sticker. TN Franklin's first to 100%. No idea what that is. We'll have to look that up. It's a Bugs Bunny variety, guys. Much harder on the 54S's, as you guys know. Maybe you don't know. Now you do. And here is an extremely pretty 43p in MS66 full steps, guys. Very, very nice album toning on this. Just complete, you know, sunset rainbow vibes. So that one's very, very nice. And then we're going to do this one. This one has one PCGS slab, and then the rest are annex. But this coin right here makes up for all of them. The MS64 full bell line RPM. You know, definitely worth a pretty penny right there, guys. So, and here's a cool one. Apparently this is a double die obverse, die number 3. Don't know what that is. 1956, and it is a, I don't know what the type is. We'll have to check the type out. See if it's the more rare type or the regular type. Yeah, we'll have to check that out. Here's a pretty cool Breen variety. You don't see these very often anymore. Mr. Walter Breen. Scratch on the slab, it's fine. Still cool though. Here's a 1959 Clashed Dies MS64. So that's pretty solid. And then finally, the double die obverse for this 1960. We'll have to check that one as well, see if it adds any value or if it's even a PCGS NGC variety. So a lot of coins to look over, a lot of coins to check. Next pack. Alrighty guys, I'm pretty sure that was every coin, but you know, there's a lot. So make sure you guys check back, and yeah, there's a lot of coins, so we're going to be posting them kind of just, you know, all throughout the weeks. We have, you know, piles and piles of coins in the boxes, everything. We have a bunch of just fresh inventory from this deal. You know, a lot of it's being processed right now, and yeah, we have a ton of coins to be listed for sale. So make sure you check out the YouTube channel for shorts and for full length videos, and also check out our website, guys. It's just merrillcoins.com, and also our Instagram. We're all Merrill Coins, so you just Merrill Coins, Google it, YouTube it, Instagram it, TikTok it, everything. We're gonna be posting there as much as we can, and yeah, something really cool is coming up in mid May. So I'm really excited, guys. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.